So since Bitcoin continues to plunge towards the downside, I believe that now is one of the best times to look into some of the altcoins we have in the market and buy the dips. So in this video, we're going to be looking at many altcoins. We're going to be speed running all of them, and we're essentially going to be looking into these altcoins at a technical standpoint. So we're going to be analyzing our entries or our entry points and exit points. It's just purely a technical standpoint. So we're going to be looking at all of this in a technical standpoint. So I have many altcoins prepared right here. And yeah, so essentially Bitcoin continues to dump towards the downside. In fact, it has formed this descending triangle, which means that this is a consolidation pattern and it's most likely going to continue to dump towards the downside. However, right now it looks like Bitcoin is breaking above the triangle. So I don't know what's going on right here. We may see... if we do close the candle above the triangle, we may see a short-term pump towards the upside. But in my opinion, I believe that there's still more room towards the downside, most especially if you do look into the weekly time frame right here. I believe that there's a chance we could continue to move towards the downside, towards specifically around these levels right here. So yeah, right now I believe that now is again the best time to look into some of the altcoins in the market right now and buy the dip. So what are these coins that I have specifically? Now I am specifically looking into altcoins that I believe the people will most likely rotate into, and I am personally looking into the gaming niche or the gaming narrative because it's really hot right now. And like I've said, people are most likely going to be rotating into this one. We have seen this happen on Solana first, and then after the Solana pump we had, which was really crazy, we saw people rotate next into Avalanche AVAX, and now it has already made its move. What is the next altcoin that people would most likely rotate into? So we have a ton right here, but the first one on my list is Polygon Matic, for one specific reason only, and that is that Polygon, if you guys haven't heard of this, Polygon is partnered, I believe, with it's partnered with Immutable, IMX, and Beam. So this is very bullish, and I don't understand why, people aren't, or why some YouTubers or influencers aren't talking about this. But this is really bullish news for the Polygon Matic ecosystem, and I believe that Polygon would, of course, after all these gaming coins have pumped, would also follow suit and have its run. Now, if we do look into the Polygon Matic charts right here, Polygon is, or has currently touched a major resistance zone right here, which is why I am currently not yet buying into or buying the dip right here, and I am still waiting for lower prices, specifically at this swing high we have right here, and that is at around 0.76 cents. But for a better entry, I'm specifically looking to enter at the 0.618 level on the fib. That's at around 0.67 cents. Or we could enter the market at the 0.32 level on the fib at around 0.77 cents. So that's for Polygon Matic. Now what is next? Of course, I'm looking into Immutable IMX. Of course, this is a no-brainer because again, this is a gaming infrastructure. So essentially, I believe that gaming studios are this coin is making it easier for gaming studios to build I believe applications in it of some sort. But yeah, IMX is on my list because this is also one of the largest market cap coins in the gaming niche. So if you do move into the IMX charts, it has already had its run. So essentially, I'm waiting for it to dip in the weekly time frame, specifically to the swing high we have right here as well. And this swing high is located at around $1.46. So that is from the price we're at right now. That's going to be a 27% dump towards the downside. But if we were to look for better entries, I would again pull up the fib right here just really quick, and also I'll look into the key levels. The first level is the 0.32 level on the fib at around $1.56. That's also the first entry right here, and the next ideal entry is the 0.618 level on the fib at around $1.16. But due to the move we had recently right here, this strong move we had right here, it's going to be less likely for us to visit these lower levels. So I'm looking to enter right here at the 0.382 level on the fib at around 1.56 US dollars. Now that's for IMX. What is the next coin I'm looking into? Of course, right now I'm personally not looking to buy Beam because again we had this long-term uptrend right here. Yeah, it's been on an uptrend ever since October 30th of 2023. So at the moment I'm not looking to buy this one because again we had this massive run. I would like to, I'm personally looking into coins that haven't moved that much. So this is why we're going to be moving into our next coin, which is Veracity. Now, I have been emphasizing this in my previous videos. Veracity is highly undervalued. If you do look at the Veracity charts, Veracity still hasn't broken above a major resistance zone right here, and is of course still trading within this range, which is very undervalued at the moment. Now Veracity, I believe, is a gaming streaming esports type of crypto, and yeah, I believe that this will also have its run right here. But again, we're looking at a technical standpoint, and based on what I'm seeing the charts, oh, if you guys actually look at this, we're actually at an entry level right here. This is at around 0.007 cents right here. So that's the 0.382 level on the fib. This is our first entry. So I might now look into buying this coin. But the next ideal entry is the 0.618 level on the fib. That's at around 0.0057 cents. And we had the wick down here. Actually, it's been supported by the 0.618 level on the fib. So that's a good sign and a bullish sign that people are actually buying the dip for Veracity, and it shows the market sentiment towards this coin. But again, here are the key entry levels. Just mark it in your charts. Put the 0.32 level in the fib, that's at around 0.007 cents. And the next ideal entry is the 0.618 level in the fib at around 0.0057 cents. Sorry, I'm going through all these really quick. I'm trying to keep this video as short and as simple as possible, but let's move on to our next crypto. So what else do we have right here? We have Illuvium. Now this, I believe, is also a good one because again, currently we are, guys, just take a look at this. We had this massive run at around 2021 towards $1,500. Then we have this massive crash. So I believe that right now we're still at a decent spot to buy, to have that massive move towards the next bull run. But if we do look at the charts for Illuvium, I believe this is one of the coins that's gonna dominate the bull run after the Bitcoin halving happens. Let's go to the charts. As you guys can see right now, we have touched a key resistance zone as well, just like other cryptos, and we are having this pullback towards the downside, which is good because again, after this pullback, I'm expecting another massive run towards the upside. So as you guys can see in the charts, these are the two key levels to look into. The first is the 0.382 level on the fib at around $87, and the next ideal entry is the 0.618 level on the fib at around $68. So yeah, right now I'm gonna be looking into buying this Illuvium dip, and I'm gonna sell or take profits on the way up. That's my game plan for Illuvium. And what are the next ones? We have Vulcan Forged right here. I have saved this as well because I believe that this is one of the gaming studio cryptos that's going to be dominating this bull market. And let's open up the charts. So it has actually also touched the 0.32 level on the fib at around $5.9, but I'm specifically looking to enter at the 0.618 level on the fib at around $4.7. But right now we have touched $5.9, so this is also another good entry. So I'm going to be probably putting some percentage of my money into this level right here, and dollar cost on the way down if we can possibly reach the 0.618 level on the fib. But again, if we do take a look at the Vulcan Forged price action, it has already rallied, but it hasn't rallied that much. So I'm considering adding this into my portfolio as well. So I'm still waiting for a deeper correction or a deeper pullback before breaking past this resistance, putting in a higher high right here in the weekly time frame. So yeah, this one is also in my radar, but personally I haven't bought into any of these coins I have talked about just yet because I am again personally waiting for lower prices because I believe that the Bitcoin dump with a high chance can still continue, but maybe an hour from now I would look to dollar cost average into some of these coins I have tackled. So if you guys would like to see more of these types of videos, so don't forget to smash like and subscribe. And if you guys would like to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up and Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server. The link is in the description, and follow me on Twitter or X and also my other socials. So thanks for watching, guys.